And before I applied as a community builder, nag-isip muna ako anong pwede ko i-contribute. Kasi once you apply, you need to fill up yung details, yung mga contributions mo. So doon ako nag-start mag-write ng articles under AWS Community ASEAN with the focus on automation kasi yun yung work ko. Tapos ayun, naging part ako nitong AWSUG BuildHers Plus. Tapos naging leader namin si Michelle, tapos sila Teres, sila Kay, sila JC, lahat kami naging part nito. Then kami yung nag-organize lagi ng monthly events with international speakers namin. By the way, andito yung mga klasiko na gusto nila maging community builder. Kaklasiko sila ng college. Si Ivy, si Minette, si Maricon, saka si Diana. Lahat kami magkaklase ng IT and ayun, nandito sila. Mga future AWS community builders din. Ayun lang po.
Jai, what do you do as your work?
QA po ako with the focus on automation. Dati manual po ako, tapos ayun, lumipat po ako hanggang sa nag-automation. Tapos yun na yung nire-write kong articles ngayon na mga nagda-Docker using Selenium, mga API using Selenium, mga ganun po siya. So, ayun.
Yun yung mas interested ka talaga to share your knowledge and expertise. Wow, thanks, Jai. We're so happy no may support ka din and your friends are very much interested to be an AWS community builder. So parang builders for builder. So, all right. So we'll ask a few questions. If you have any questions from our participants or from our attendees tonight, feel free to ask it sa chat box. So we can ask those questions. Sige, maybe I can, before we ask questions, I'll play a video again about what AWS Community Builders is, no, for everyone also.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Hari Karthikesu. Today I am going to talk about AWS Community Builders program. Let's get started. So what is AWS Community Builders program? The AWS Community Builders program provides a platform or opportunity for the people who are passionate about AWS services to learn and explore more about AWS technology. In addition to that, it offers technical resources, mentorship, and networking opportunities to all the members of this program. So what are the benefits of becoming a member of this program? Once you get selected to the program, you will be added to AWS Community Builders Slack workspace, where you will find like-minded people, and it allows you to share and gain more knowledge about AWS technologies. Next, you will be invited to AWS service preview sessions, which are organized by AWS product teams, and it helps you to learn about upcoming AWS services in advance. Finally, you will receive some awesome promo codes. One is you will receive an AWS credit worth of $500. You can redeem that credit on your AWS account, and then you can try out all the AWS services. And you will receive a voucher for certification. You can use that voucher to do an AWS certificate. And finally, you will receive an awesome AWS swag kit.
Yeah. I'll cut short na our video so we can talk about it more rather than the video itself. No. All right. Maybe for our first question, we can ask, our panelists, wow, panelists talaga. We can ask Kay, Tere, and Jaira, what preparations you did, to become an AWS UG? Kasi it's not just like, parang anyone can apply, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but how you can share, anyone can share what are the preparations you did, and then what are the steps that you did to actually apply into the program?
Okay, ako na lang muna. I think for me it's more on community engagement kasi I do not have any specific parang finalo kasi based dun sa nung ni-research ko what are the requirements for the community builders is that wala naman din sila talagang sineset na standard or requirements, but from what I've seen from the previous community builders, ayun nga yung content creation, and since wala pa naman akong ganong contribution for AWS, aside from the curriculum development, which is may NDA pa ngayon, more on community engagement yung nakita kong preparations na ginawa ko rito. And at the same time, although hindi requirement yung certification, parang sinet ko sa sarili ko na gusto kong ma-certify as first sa CCP, sa Certified Cloud muna, practitioner. From there, doon ko kasi nakilala yung mga taong kasama ko ngayon. Then, yun nga, yung mentoring, it's more of a volunteering and community engagement, yung preparations na ginawa ko for this program.
So malaking factor yung you contribute or you share about AWS, no? So wow, very interesting, Tere. Kay, is your preparation the same with Tere also, or slightly different naman yung ginawa mo?
Yeah. For me kasi habang nagte-take ako ng mga certification exams, I'm also documenting it para pwede ko siyang balikan kapag i-review ko. So I made one video before. Tapos I also wrote about how I passed the solutions architect yung first exam I ever took for AWS. So may article din akong sinubmit dun sa application. So aside from that, yung community engagement similar with Tere. So I was very active sa AWSUG BuildHers dun sa mentoring session. So yun yung mga mga nilagay ko dun sa application, how I got in.
So anyone from our participants can actually do the same. Like wala talagang definite formula or parang hindi ka naman nililimit ni AWS on what you can do. But I think yung mga big factors is you really share about AWS or your journey or yung mga experience mo, di ba? Si Jai, iba yung experience niya. Medyo shy si Jai mag-talk. So marami siyang iniipong articles. I think nabanggit niya kanina yun. Jai, ano pa yung ibang mga preparations that you did for before you applied to the program?
Actually, wala pa. Hindi, joke lang. Nagsulat ng article. Tapos ayun, tumulong lang sa pag-organize ng natin, events. Like yung monthly event natin. Ay lang naman.
So talaga yung malaking factor din yung blogs. Kasi I guess for other people who reads a lot, 'di ba? Marami iba-iba rin yung mga may mga mahilig talaga magbasa ng blogs. Sometimes it helps kapag you share some of the best practices or some of the challenges that you encountered when you were doing something, and then it helps when you share na okay, this is how to use a storage or use a Docker or how to use testing and etc. when it comes to software development and things like that, diba? So I have another question aside from the preparations. Ang tawag dito, is it hard to apply or mabilis lang siya na process? And then what are the steps aside from at least preparing the things that you were able to contribute already, diba? Anyone can answer.
So, yung AWS usually nag-open siya twice a year ng link dun sa builders.
Twice a year yung application. So
early per year or mid-year, ganun. Tapos yung validity niya is good for 1 year. And then, dun sa application, basically, meron siyang form na fill upan ka. And dun mo ilalagay yung mga links to contributions mo. Pwedeng YouTube link, pwedeng blog, link to the blog, pwede ring kung recorded session yung kunyari nag-host ka ng isang event or nag-contribute ka sa isang event, pwede mo ilagay din yung link na yun. Pero yun, mostly fill up lang talaga ng form, and then yung profile mo, yung LinkedIn mo, ganun.
Aside from LinkedIn and yung profile mo, may iba pang share like from other social media channels. I think pwede rin yung mga posts sa Twitter, right? And Facebook, or they didn't mention anything about Instagram, but pwede na rin siguro Discord.
I think yung mga yung mga ibang sites na may kung sumagot ka ng mga questions, like halimbawa sa user group, may inquiry sila with regards to the AWS services. Then kung isa ka sa nakapag-contribute, so you can parang alam ko pwede mo ring yung post na yan sa mga Red Edit, yung mga ganung sites.
Mga Stack Overflow din, So that really counts also as a contribution. So aside from community events or yung mga speaking engagements, yung mga blogs, diba? And then yung mga
YouTube,
talks, pwede din yung mga ganon when you answer questions sa mga forums. Okay. Sige. If we have questions from our attendees, let us know. Please type in the chat also. Walang nahihiya dito sa AWSUG BuildHers Plus. Ayan. So, nakita natin dun sa video, sa quick video lang that we shared, may mga benefits for AWSUG BuildHers Plus. Ano yung pinaka-exciting na benefit na nakuha ninyo as an AWSUG Builder? Community Builder. Rather, nag-mix na.
Siyempre, yung swag. Once na na-admit ka or na-accept ka dun sa program, so you will be receiving the AWS swag. So napaka yung feeling na makaka-receive ka, isang box yon, na may mug, may cup, may mga stickers. So nakakatuwa, nakaka-inspire. Then so yun, doon ako na-excite. Then yung mga event, actually yung Slack sa akin, hindi ko na pinapatay. So every time na nagpa-pop up na lang, may mga message, tapos may mga webinar. So kung hindi ko man siya mapapanood on that time, pwede mo kasi siyang i-replay kasi ibinibigay naman nila yung link. Then ang isa pang for me yung exciting part, yung may mga bagong services sa AWS na sa builders muna nila ini-introduce, ina-announce. Pero bawal bawal i-post or i-announce kasi may NDA. So yun. So yun yung mga exciting part po of being part of the AWS Community Builders program.
Ikaw, Kay, or si Jaira, ano yung mga exciting sa inyo?
Yung sa akin po, pinaka-exciting sa akin is yung naka-receive ako ng credits for my AWS account. So I think yung total ko po na na-receive from AWS is 1,000 USD.
Wow, laki!
Pero hindi po siya convertible to cash. Parang lang siya. Kung convertible nga po sa bibili ko na lang ng PS5 kaso hindi. So ayun, pang ko lang siya, pang open ng mga EC2, ganun. Ayun po siya. Ngayon, sobrang laki po ng binigay nila sa akin. Pinapagamit ko na as company usage din yung account ko. Kasi hindi ko talaga siya maubos. Wow. 700 pa rin yung laman. Kahit nag-SMS na kami, di namin talaga maubos.
Ang laki pala nung una. I think one of the first batch ka ng community builders, no, Jai? So,
yes po.
really interesting, 1,000. I think right now 500, if I'm not mistaken. But still a huge amount, diba? For personal projects or if you want to experiment also. Okay, ikaw, baka may mga exciting pa ba?
Pero pa ba? In addition, meron ka ring access sa mga education materials.
Ayun.
Okay. For certification, may free voucher din.
Yung certification pala, yun, nakalimutan ko i-mention.
Tsaka yun, basically may access ka with any community builder. Pwede mo i-chat dun sa Slack.
Yun, so nag-expand yung network mo. I think that's really, that's really a plus. Kasi hindi ka nalilimit lang, say, within the Philippines or within your city lang. But you have an access to, a global set of experts in AWS, diba? Pwedeng malay mo maging katrabaho mo in the future, or like co-founders in a startup and things like that. So it's actually a plus because that's something that AWS or any other group or tech giants won't be able to take away from you after the program has ended or something like that. It's really the community and the friendships and the network that you'll be able to build along the way then. So aside from that, required ba kayo na mag-report, or may required ba na number of events or blogs to maintain your status as a community builder?
Yeah, actually, Kay, ikaw.
Yung mas
Yeah,
sige, go ahead.
Okay. I think for the content creation, if I'm not mistaken, Jai, di ba we have parang minimum of 4 content creation to be submit within a year. So 1 year yung program natin, so dapat at least 4. So kaya yan yung inaano ko ngayon, pinupush ko ngayon talaga. Then of course yung kailangan yung community involvement mo rin. So so far wala naman pong ibang requirements except dun sa minimum requirements dun sa content creation.
Content creation pwedeng mix siya, no? Same time.
Yeah.
Yun.
May ano po kasi parang yung repository where you can post. So may ano po doon. Opo, for community builders. Sa dev.to. Am I right, Kate? Right, Kate?
Yep.
Then, of course, yung connecting with other community builders, tsaka yung pag-a-attend ng mga event, pero hindi naman po talaga siya totally nire-require na kailangan regularly. So, hindi naman yun.
So it's really yung minimum na 4 yung content.
Opo, yung at least may contribution po.
Contribution. Sa minimum. Pero kung passionate ka naman talaga about sharing, no? Parang hindi mo mamamalayan yung 4 na requirement at least to maintain the status. Kung magre-renew ka for another year, is it automatic renewal or may process ka uli na i-follow or magsasubmit ka uli na application and things like that? Si Jai, ikaw yung
Jai.
Ano po ulit yung tanong?
Kung after your 1-year term, do you automatically they automatically renew your status as a community builder, o kailangan mo mag-fill up uli ng form or something like that?
May option po na pwede na mag-exit si member. Like, kunwari, okay ka na sa AWS, exit ka na. Pero you have to reapply para ma-remain sa program. Tapos, yung mga previous mo nagawa, yun ay nasabit mo last time. So, kailangan may bago ka rin na-contribute ulit. Then, re-reviewin nila yun kung i-remain ka nila sa program.
Okay. So, hindi siya automatic na dahil gusto ko pa. So, hindi siya. So, it's really parang an ongoing process also of application. And then, parang you keep on parang contributing also or even enhancing your knowledge on AWS then. Tama ba?
Yes, tama.
Right po.
Yun.
And in addition to that, parang ano po, kasi meron na rin yung Cloud Academy. So, chine-check din yung mga learnings na nagawa mo doon sa portal, doon sa Cloud Academy.
May subscription naman yung Cloud Academy, maybe we can share about it also.
Ano po yan, parang yung learning journey mo sa sa AWS. So, yung mga ginawa mo doon, yung mga inaral mong mga services, minsan chine-check din nila doon nasan ano na yung mga kumaga parang mga natapos mong lesson, topic, parang may sarili siyang it's not LMS pero kasi doon sa skill builder parang mag-e-enroll ka, halimbawa cloud practitioner, tapos kung kailan matatapos mo yon. Parang self-paced siya.
Okay.
Tinitingnan din po. So sa Community Builders naman, meron siyang Cloud Academy subscription and utilization. So pwede kang mag-try po doon ng mga services ni AWS para maano mo siya, kumbaga parang kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng mga hands-on doon sa services. Kasi 'di ba minsan tayo ako lalo na wala naman talaga akong hindi ko ginagamit yung AWS sa pang-araw-araw na buhay ko. So, yung ibang services para ma-familiarize ako, pwede kong gamitin yung Cloud Academy. And other than that, that's why binibigyan din po kami ng mga credits para matry namin sa management console.
May hands-on experience din.
Yes, may hands-on experience.
Hindi lang siya
Which is malaking bagay siya.
Purely theoretical. And then yung certification helps also enhance your skills and knowledge, di ba? Kasi sa mga labs, may quick labs rin ba? Tama ba ako?
Ayun po, yung parang Cloud
yes,
Academy.
Yes, yung Cloud Academy. Okay. May challenges ba as a community builder? May mga challenges ba na kailangan i-overcome as a community builder? Or parating exciting naman siya to be a community builder also? Based on experience ninyong tatlo, anyone can answer also. Parang walang challenges.
Siguro yung overwhelmed ka kasi with the free stuff. So, kung paano mo ma-maximize yung opportunity to learn. Sobrang dami kasi. Parang tulad nun, yung Cloud Academy, ang dami mo nang pwedeng aralin doon. So, for me, challenge siya kasi kung gusto mong i-maximize talaga yan. hindi siya possible. Kasi it will take time.
Hindi naman sagabal yung trabaho, no?
Focus sa pag-aaral.
Kung pwede lang mag-aral.
Ma-enjoy kasi siya minsan, kaya lang walang time. Pero yan, parang bombarded ka with free stuff that you can explore talaga being a community builder.
Ikaw, Jai, any challenge na encounter mo?
Yung challenge ko lang is yung pag-create ng another content. Kasi pag nag-publish ka ng content, kailangan original. Tapos parang ang hirap mag-isip ulit from scratch. So, ayun yung mga difficulties. Like ko rin, nasulat na neto. Kailangan i-upgrade mo siya para maging original content mo. Ayun, ko-configure mo siya, mga ganun po.
So, paano mo kino-conceptualize yung content mo, Jai?
Actually, hindi ko din po. Parang lang, experiment lang po talaga. Parang puro experiment, ganun po.
Based sa work mo or not necessarily based sa ginagawa mo?
Based din po sa work ko. Tapos, kunwari, yung dati ko pong article na nasimulan ko, kunwari, yung sa selenium nga po na, di ba ginagamit siya. Tapos parang in-upgrade ko yung mga nakikita kong article na nasulat na ng iba. Parang ganun lang po yung ginagawa. So, original content na siya. Like, kunwari, yung content neto, ginamit niya yung selenium, pero hindi niya dinacker, hindi niya nilagay sa ECR. So, sa akin, kinombo ko yun, kaya naging original content ko siya.
Oy,
so, ayun, ganun po siya.
So, parang you took some inspiration dun sa naunang sulat, pero dinagdagan mo siya nung, syempre, di ba, technology, laging may bago, di ba? So, parang you added more. So, mas updated na and original na yung content mo.
Yes.
Wow, okay. Sige. Interesting. Parang napaisip ako, ano yung mga i-content ko talaga? So, kung interested kayo to apply dun sa program, you can also look into kung ano yung passionate kayo. Halimbawa, about serverless, or about storage, or about yung mga containers, diba? Or may iba naman merong specific talaga to machine learning and AI, tama, diba? Meron din silang mga set of materials or you can create content on those also. Pwede rin naman siya, I think may nakita ako na parang combination ng into web and mobile technologies and using AWS, then pwede din siya. So, meron na ba sa inyo nakapag-talk or nakapagbigay ng session in another country or in another city? And ano naman yung experience nyo on those?
Yeah, me, I was invited by, yun nga, yung South Africa. Parang user group din po yata sila. But they are mga community builders din. So parang ano lang din siya, yung ganito, normal na talking about AWS Community Builders, yung mga activities na ginagawa, yung yan, same format like what we have right now. Ano yung mga future plans and goals namin in the program. So, ganun po.
Hindi rin
Tapos
naman nalalayo sa mga ginagawa natin.
Yeah, mas maganda lang din yung ano natin, preparations natin. Kasi ano po yung ano time na yun, paiba-iba sila ng oras. Tapos nung unang session, syempre iba-iba po kami ng bansa. May Iraq, may ako Philippines, yung isa South Africa. Parang akala ko kinabukasan pa. Tapos mamaya na pala, 30 minutes na lang. Parang ganun po. Ganun po siya.
Siguro sila sa time zone.
Opo. Ayun nga, naguguluhan po. Tapos nung nag-join na kami, hala, bakit ano ba to? Podcast ba to? Ba't walang audience? Iba pala yung ano nila. Tapos minove. Ayun, yung na. Tapos sabi ko, ang dami ko ng schedule na nasasagasaan. Kaya lang nakakahiya naman kasi mga community builders din. So, ayun. Pero masaya po kasi maaano mo rin sila, mamimit mo rin sila, ano yung mga ginagawa nila. Kumbaga parang ano rin sila sa experience, kumbaga ano yung ginagawa nyo? Parang ganon. Sa user group nyo, anong ginagawa nyo? Excited din silang malaman yung mga activities. Tapos yun, sharing of experience, yung mga challenges, ganon din po. Yun dun sa content creation, nagbibigay ng mga tips kung paano gumawa ng mga content. Tapos yung mga paano mag-i-improve yung skills in AWS. So yun po.
I guess that natural din siguro sa community when you volunteer, di ba? You're trying to figure out also what works. Naalala ko yung first event natin, may mga bloopers din tayo. May naalala ko nun kasi I was like on a parang vacation mode from work, di ba? Sabi ko, paano ko na nga ba gagawin ito? Pag-host uli or something like that. Tapos, we were a very lean team, so hindi natin maalam kung sino yung magmamanage ng pag-admit ng mga attendees and all, or even how to put together our materials also. I think those are, I guess, parang yung mga, pain points natin, pero it helps us grow also as a team and as a community din. So interesting din na at least hindi lang pala tayo yung dumaan sa ganung stage din, di ba?
Yeah, that's why kasi sabi ko, parang kasi nakikita nila sa LinkedIn na wow, successful yung natin, yung Meetup, tapos laging maraming audience. Kaya sabi nila, paano nyo ginagawa? Sabi ko, sige, mag-join kayo anniversary. Yung tingin ko na makakapag-prepare talaga itong BuildHers. Kaya doon ko sila in-invite. So nakakatawa din.
Hindi natin din malayan, no? Nag 1 year na rin yung community. Then, Kay, ikaw, nakapag-talk ka na sa other countries or other meetups?
Gusto ko sana itanong kay Terek kung sinabi ba niya yung secret natin kung maraming attendees.
Hindi.
Sa akin hindi pa ako outside the country, pero usually na-invite ako sa mga events na in-organize ng Siklab Pilipinas in partnership with other tech communities within the Philippines. So for this year, yung mga talk na I gave out was introduction to cloud, and also yung hosting static websites in S3. So magkakaroon din ako ng isa pang talk about doon end of this month for under the AWS community rin for AWS Club. Ayun lang po.
Jaira, ikaw, ano ka na-invite ka na. Si Jaira po yung magaling mag-recruit sa amin ng speaker. Pag sinabi namin, oh Jai, meron na tayong meetup on ganitong date. Ayan na, meron na mga speakers si Jaira from other countries also. Jai, na-invite ka na to speak also?
Na-invite na po. Kaso pag sinasabi ko pong tutulong na lang ako sa technical, ayaw na nila. Hindi ko po alam kung bakit.
So you really focus on, the content, the technical content talaga. Yun yung, ano mo, gusto mong kino-contribute to as a community builder. Any tips or advices that you can give to our attendees on how they can, prepare to pass the program also? Paano pala nila ina-advise na nakapasa ka na sa program? Do they email you or makikita mo na lang in a website or something that you pass or something like that?
You'll be receiving an email that you are accepted in the program.
Wow. And then may Slack group siya that you need to join also, something like that?
Yes, so once na naka-receive na po ng confirmation na na-accept ka na sa program, so magsiset na po ng parang Meetup ba yung tawag doon, na lahat ng community builders magmi-meet. Tapos meron po munang NDA na isa-sign.
Okay.
Opo. Pag na-process na yon, yun po, ma-add ka na sa Slacks.
Bali nandun sa email lahat ng steps. And yung sinabi ni Tere na call is parang welcome call siya.
Welcome call.
May welcome call. Kala ko, may parang summit din for AWS Community Builders. Meron din bang ganun as a group? Or wala pa right now?
Wala in particular yata for community builders.
Wala naman in particular. Okay. Very interesting. Sige, baka meron kayong any tips, any advices for those who are interested to be a AWS Community Builder then. Jai, ikaw, baka may advice ka to our attendees also.
Ayun, attend lang kayo, tapos maging part kayo sa amin para may katulong na rin kami maging organizer. Tawagin nyo nga pa yung mga na-recruit ko. Introduce nila yung sarili nila.
Good. Thank you, Jai. Sobrang thank you. Feeling namin yung social battery ni Jai na todo today. So feeling namin magtatago uli siya sa cave within the next 2 weeks. Okay, ikaw naman, any tips or advices to those who are aspiring to be an AWS community builder also?
Ayun, maraming opportunity actually. Mag-message lang kayo dun to anyone, especially kay Sir Rafi and Michelle. Kung how you want to contribute, pwedeng by volunteering or actually kahit yung magsulat-sulat kayo about AWS or if your passion is about creating videos, pwede rin. Ayun, yun usually yung mga requirements to be a community builder, about sharing about AWS basically.
Pwede rin ba sa TikTok mag-share ng video?
Modern na ngayon baka
diba?
Mga influencers ng AWS.
Correct. Thank you, Kay. Tere, ikaw, ano naman advice mo naman?
Ayun, nasabi, yung as mentioned ni Kay and Jaira, more on community engagement, kung wala pang content, kung wala ka pang mga vlog, mga YouTube, or tutorial na nagawa before, or mga parang contribution sa mga ibang sites, more on speaking engagement, yan, kung meron ka na. Tapos mentoring, if you got the chance to mentor, yung maki-join sa amin, kailangan namin ng mentor at ni Sir Rafi sa users group din. Kasi I think monthly or quarterly nagra-run yung mentoring for CCP and solutions architect. So malaking malaking contribution 'yun sa sa community kung magiging mentor ka. Then, yun lang po. Yun lang yung sa tingin kong malaking factor if wala pang mga content. Pero kung magkakaroon ka na ng mga content, mas maganda. Mas maganda.
Whether
Much better.
written or
Malaking
visual
points yun.
content, no? Malaking points yun.
Mga tutorial. So, yan. Ako, ang ginagawa ko kasi ngayon, so pag nag-talk ako, halimbawa, about certified cloud, so ginagawa ko na siya, tapos ginagawa ko na siya ng video, tapos i-upload ko na lang siya. So, yun na lang din yung ginagawa ko. Para isa lang yung preparations. Kaya lang yung focus ko kasi ngayon as community builder, kasi nasa program na ako, so yung yung makapag-develop ng content, yun yung ko ngayon kasi medyo challenging yung time, yung schedule, tapos yung yun kailangan yung ma-focus ko ngayon. Sa sarili ko, yun yung kailangan kong ma-build ngayon, makapag-create pa ng mga content. Kasi pag nakakagawa na ako, tapos magbabasa ako sa, dun sa dev, sabi ko, ba't ganun parang may nagsulat na? Kaya yun yung parang, ko nga. Kaya yung tama yung sinasabi ni Jai, inaano niya, kumaga tinitwist niya, kumaga nag-a-add siya ng, ng topic doon sa write-up niya. So, which is maganda nga yun. Maganda nga yung ganong strategy.
Thank you, Tere. Maybe we can have like a quick round lang ng mga introductions from our attendees since we're an intimate group naman, no? So maybe everyone can unmute themselves and then, we can go around and introduce ourselves and then kung plano mo mag-apply sa program also. Maybe we can randomly call na lang, no? And see. All right. Clarissa, would you like to share? Clarissa Joy, just a quick introduction about yourself and then if you're interested in the program already. And tama ba ako, bago mag-introduce si Clarissa, you don't need to be an expert talaga, no, to start mentoring kasi baka yung iba nag-iisip parang ay hindi pa naman ako super galing. So when do you feel like you can start mentoring other people already? Sa inyo, Tere, Kay, paano nag-enjoy? Paano nagsimula yun sa inyo na uy, I can mentor other people na or kaya ko na mag-blog about this or something like that?
For me, when you pass the exam, yung mentoring lalo. Kasi parang na-establish dun yung mo talaga, yung knowledge mo. Parang mas may confident ka na ay gusto ko nang i-share to. Parang ganon. At saka na rin kasi yun eh. Kasi sa atin, requirement natin yun. Diba? Parang na pag pumasa ka, kailangan mag-mentor ka rin para makatulong ka rin dun sa community. So I think mas yun, once you pass, you share. Parang maging maganda yung tradition. Straightforward.
And also para ma-retain din yung knowledge.
Knowledge, yes.
Actually, yun yung isa sa biggest advantage, no? Kasi kung tama kayo, kung hindi naman siya regular or araw-araw na ginagamit mo, when you teach it also, aside from mas malaki yung, ay, naintindihan mo nga siya. Naalala ko noon, I mean, di ba when we're much younger also, although mas matanda ako sa iyo, baka, inaklaro ko lang, baka sabihin niyo, si Bishop, baka naman. I remember, sometimes you have to read a material 3 times over bago mo fully maintindihan, di ba? But I guess in this process, when you learn it, when you teach it, parang all the more na, okay, naiintindihan mo siya or na-update yung knowledge mo rin. Kasi may mga changes din, di ba? From the time na naging certified ka to the latest one, may mga changes din. Tama ba ako? Meron din. Sige. Alright, sige, let's go quick roundabout ng mga introductions. Game. Clarissa, you want to share a little bit about you? Can you unmute by yourself? O si Minette na lang. Go, Minette. Hello? Yes, we can hear you.
Hi po. So, wait lang, natawa ako. So I'm a friend of Jaira. Invite niya kami dito. So ayun, I'm Minette. I'm a DevOps engineer from Rosary. About joining AWS Builders, I'm quite interested naman kasi I'm not sure if I could commit. Ayun, kasi masyado akong nahiya mag-talk. Hindi rin ako magaling mag-write ng article. So, I don't know what I could contribute to the community. So, yun, ano lang, mascot lang. Ayun po.
Hindi naman kailangan every month. So, I guess yung sa community is when you're available also, you can host or you can contribute in a way. Minsan lang na nagiging taya ako sa hosting kasi lahat sila tumatakas sa hosting. Pero minsan naman may willing victim naman din kami. Pero yun, maraming ways to help out also sa community. So yun, you can also try Minette. Yan. Yeah. Oo, next na mag-host si Jaira daw. Napatalk na namin. So pwede na mag-host next time. Maybe you can move, Ivy. You want to share a little bit about you and if you're interested in the program also. Yeah. Can you unmute by yourself? Also, or challenge. Ay, maingay doon yung background ni Ivy. Okay, sige. Maybe we can start with Tim then. Tim, you want to share a little bit about you, what you do, and if interested ka mag-apply sa Community Builder program this time?
Hindi ako sure kung qualified ako kasi I'm working for AWS. So,
Oh!
di ko sure.
Sorry,
Ah,
hindi ka qualified. Siyempre, nasa AWS ka na eh. So what do you do, Tim, sa AWS?
I'm part of the AWS support. I'm under the networking team. So usually, kami yung nakakausap nyo kapag may issues kayo sa technical, like sa Route 3, VPC, load balancers.
Wow!
So, ayun.
Si Tim naman, sobrang simple pala eh.
Yun. Hello sa fellow PUPians dyan. Ayun.
Thank you, Tim. How long ka na sa AWS?
More than 2 years now. Since January of 2020. So
Uy,
mga 2 months prior the pandemic. Yeah.
Sabi ni Kig, down po pala yung server. Uy, but
So,
rare na mangyari yun, di ba?
Rare. Pero kapag may issue sa US East 1, madami affected.
Talaga? Wow. Yun. Sige, thank you, Tim. Wesley, maybe you can share also.
Hello. Hi, I'm a DevOps engineer rin po. Actually, I'm from a consulting company, pero right now nasa work leave, nasa rest ng sa work tapos ayun. So, dati pa ako sa AWS user group. Tapos ngayon lang ako nag-attend ng BuildHers. So, ayun.
Wow, thank you. Welcome also. Nag-take ka na ng certifications before, Wesley?
Yes. SA, pati BBA.
Wow, ang dami na pala. Pwedeng-pwede na yan. Yes. Sige, thank you, Wesley. Maybe we can move to Luisa. Luisa, you want to share?
Hello po, good evening po. Hello po.
Hi, Luisa. First time mo to attend?
Nakikinig. No po. Nag-attend na din po ako year 2021 po. And yung ibang meeting din po with Ma'am Teresa.
Okay. So student ka pala ni Tere.
Yes po.
Very interesting. So, do you have any plans in the future to join or to apply dun sa program then?
Interested po ako sa mga topic po na pinaprovide po ni AWSUG po, AWSUG. Pero hindi po ako sure kung makakapag-commit po ako sa same community po kasi yung plan ko for after graduation po. Ayun po. Pero interested po ako dun sa mga topic po na napro-provide po ni AWSUG po.
Sige. Thank you, Luisa. Anyone else? Maybe, JC also is a community builder. And Joanna, maybe JC, you can quickly say hi. And then, meron kaming second batch actually ng talk about, being an AWS community builder also on Saturday. So if you can help spread the word about it. Yeah. Joanna, maybe you can quickly say hi also.
Hi everyone, I'm Joanna. I'm a cloud engineer for a consulting firm here in the Philippines. Hello sa lahat.
So we'll have Joanna talk. I-ano na natin, Joanna, i-reserve na natin for Saturday yung sharing. Ayun. Anyone else that I miss? Oh, maybe JL and Tony, you can say hi also.
Hi! Kamusta kayo dyan? I'm presently in a cafe at the minute, so medyo noisy. Andito na nga ako sa sulok, Andito ako sa sulok. para lang hindi masyadong noisy. Hi everybody, I hope that sana in the coming future you'll be able to also join the AWS community, or you can apply. Kasi ang daming perks, gosh. I mean, living in the UK, grabe, everywhere. Random ko ang reach ng Amazon Web Services dito. And it's a close match between Microsoft Azure and AWS services. So as in, you will see businesses talagang head to head with the cloud services. So really, it's nice. Sana you'll be able to apply, and sana all, gaya ni Jaira na naka $1,000 ready.
Hindi na pa isang buo yan. Parang tagpi-tagpi, tapos naipon.
Even so, ang laki ng $1,000, OMG! Grabe! As in. But guys, thank you so much for joining the session today. I mean, I just catched up kasi nga medyo mahirap ang mobile data. Oo, true. Pang startup. Push na yan. Ako din, nag-iisip na din ako kung anong startup ang pwede kong i-start anytime soon. So, yeah.
Yun. Thanks, Jay. Tony, you want to quickly say hi before we end our program?
Sure. Hi everyone. Good evening. So my name is Tony. Ayan. So thank you for attending our quick meetup. Sana soon magkita-kita na rin tayo. Personally, no. So I'm happy to be part of this group kasi aside from, 'di ba, sharing kung ano yung natutunan namin or based on our experience. And thank you din kay Sir Rafi. Dahil si Sir Rafi yung nag-push talaga sa akin, not only me but also dun sa mga kagrupo, talagang pinush niya kami. Lalo na yung time na medyo nadi-discourage kami. So, siya yung isa sa mga dahilan. And yeah, being part of this community, maganda siya kasi aside from na bago lang ako, so ayun, I meet new friends katulad nila Kay, nila Tere, nila Sel, ayan. So may mga kalokohan din kami minsan. Pero ang maganda dun kasi, meron kaming isang goal lang talaga to share and to help the community. So kaya siguro pinagsama-sama tayo dito. So kung meron kayong questions or kung meron kayong gustong hilingin sa amin na tulong in terms of yung sa mga certification, yung mga tips, ayan, lahat ng mga nandito sa group na to talagang willing to help po. Yun lang po.
Thank you, everyone. So, whoever is interested to apply to the program, good luck. So sana mas marami pang maging AWS Community Builders by August. We'll find out by August. And then if you have any questions, feel free to ask questions sa group, sa FB group natin, or to reach out to any of our speakers also. So again, thank you everyone. Have a great evening. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Bye!
Hi everyone! See you!
Group picture pala, syempre.
Bye-bye.
Huwag ka makalimutan. Group picture muna tayo. on nyo muna yung inyong
Mag-picture muna tayo.
On nyo muna yung mga
Pardon, Maya.
camera.
Oh my gosh. Pardon the lighting.
Parang gusto ko mag-beret, Jair. Parang gusto ko magpunta ng Paris.
Virtual filter lang.
Wala na siyang mask, pero meron siya. Ano?
Oo.
Ganyan kasi.
Fashionista yun eh, si Jai.
Andito ako sa Sundok, sa Bay Nero. Pagpasensyahan nyo na at nasa
Also.
aray ko. Isang Italian cafe ito. Nasa Cafe Nero. Oo. Yeah. Coffee shop lang. Nakiki-internet. Alam niyo naman, mahirap. Alam niyo naman, mahirap ang buhay ngayon sa maki-internet.
Agree. Habang
Mataas yung inflation rates, di ba?
Correct. Mataas ang inflation rate sa maki-internet. Maki-connect sa wifi.
Kaya i-grab na yung opportunity for AWS free credit. Sayang din yun. Hindi nga lang pwedeng in-cash, sabi ni Jaira. Diba?
Pero okay na yun, no? Pang startup, okay na yun.
Correct. Alright, sige, let's have a picture. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Kat. Thank you, Clariza.
Thank you, everybody.
Everyone.
Thank you po, Ma'am Shell.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.